dogs can cover a large area quickly and with their nose detect the scent of people lying under rubble.
Easy. Very good.
When the dog finds human scent, the dog has been taught to show us by barking and putting a paw to that place so that we know as precisely as possible where the scent is coming out of the rubble. Time is running and some of the people under the rubble can't be heard. Dogs are one of the last chances for people to be found.